Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about a device that I recently came across and I am loving it. Now, if you're no stranger to my channel, you know that I love anything skincare beauty, and I have tried quite a few red light therapy devices in my day. I've tried the masks, the eye masks, the chest and neck, the little wands. I've tried them all. This one is different. I originally bought the Amiro 5-in-1 Spectra, blah, 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 whatever. I bought that because Tati made me buy it. She swore by it and I trust her opinion so much. So I tried that and it was fine. But this one, the company actually sent this to me to try. This video is not sponsored, by the way. They sent it to me to do an Amazon review. I had no obligation to make this video for them, but I am doing it because I love this product and I want to tell you guys about it. So if you've tried a red light therapy device, you know what they can do for your skin. I noticed a change in my skin. Like if I stop using mine, I can tell. I was very skeptical. I was like, this will be just like my Amiro one. No. This one is so much better. Let's just look at the mask. First of all, it comes in a nice fancy little duster bag. It reminds me of like my Gucci. And it is kind of like the Gucci of face masks. This thing is so bougie, so nice. First of all, it kind of looks like a golf ball. I think it's so pretty. Ooh, my nails match. It's just looks super high end, really nice quality. The strap, this thing is like heavy duty. It's not gonna move off of your head. It is very, very comfortable. You can tighten it. These little Velcro straps come open like that and you can tighten it, loosen it. Now the inside, oh my gosh, it's got my eyebrows on it. Because I don't take off my eyebrows when I wear this. So the eye mask or the eye protector part is really, really nice here. Your eyes are gonna be super protected. This is completely open, so you can see through it. I actually walk around and clean my house while I'm wearing this. You can scroll your phone, you can sit at your computer. So now this is the mask. This is the actual little remote here that turns it on. It's got 4 different settings. And then this is the part that you will plug it in when you wanna charge it. So this just plugs in. This just plugs into here, and then you can charge it. Now, this is just one of those iPhone charger. It has this, so I usually just plug it right into that and I don't even get this thing out. All right, so we're gonna talk about the different modes. It has a firm mode, which is going to use the red and infrared light to boost collagen and smooth out those fine lines. That's the main reason I like to use these devices, is for the anti-aging benefit. It has a glow mode, which is gonna combine red, infrared, and yellow light to brighten up dullness. So if your skin's feeling a little dull, a little tired, you might wanna try that. The rejuvenate mode is great for calming redness and strengthening your skin barrier. That is one thing I love about red light therapy. Anyone can really use it. Like if you have sensitive skin, that's okay. It also has the clear mode, which is going to use blue light to target acne causing bacteria and breakouts. Like I said, I love how it's cordless. You can take it anywhere with you. Just throw this in your pocket. One thing I love about this is that the firm mode for sure is 8 minutes. So that is so quick. I can do anything for 8 minutes. Some of my other masks you can wear up to 30 minutes. Like that's not necessary, and I don't wanna wear it for that long. I like that this one is for 8 minutes. Some of the treatments are 5 minutes, so I love that. So unlike other devices, this one has, if you look at each little circle here, it has 4 little LED lights per slot, whereas other ones just have 1. So you're getting like 4 times the amount of power on this guy. So yeah, it has a total of 272 LED beads positioned 10 millimeters from the skin to maximize coverage and ensure even, consistent light distribution. They really knew what they were doing when they did this. So I've been trying to stay super consistent with it. I've been trying to do it every single day. I've missed a few days here and there. I even took this thing on vacation when we went to Vegas, and I used it there. I did not want to miss out. So I really like doing this in the morning. I fit this kind of into my morning routine. I'll wake up, I'll wash my face. You want your face to be clean. You do not want to have any skincare on your face when you do this because it can interfere with the red light, especially retinol. So I'll usually put this on and I will sit down at my computer and do a few things on the computer, and then I'll start getting my kids ready for school. And like I said, it's only 8 minutes, so it'll go by so quickly. So then once I am done with my little treatment, I will go in and put on all of my skincare items. I have my morning stuff and then I have my nighttime stuff. If you guys are curious about like what products I use, I'm gonna try to link some stuff down in the description box and kind of show you my current, because they are constantly changing. So I'll kind of show you like my current AM products. And then if I decide to do this at night, I will follow it up with a few more products. Definitely like my retinols and my other serums. I just recently found a new one. Oh, I should show you. I recently started using this. I don't know if this is like something that's been around for a while and I'm just late to the game, but I've been loving this. This is from Misha. If you've ever tried their BB cream, it's so good. This is their Time Revolution Night Repair Ampule 5X. This is so nice. So this is gonna have some anti-aging benefits in it as well. This is so nice on the skin. I like to use this kind of as my last step before I go to bed. And this is just gonna kind of, they like to say it's like a reset button for your skin because it's gonna help just kind of repair and just do the anti-aging benefits overnight while you sleep. So I have really been loving this. So overall, I am a little bit obsessed with this guy here, and the cost is not bad. I've seen them where they're like close to $700. This one is a little bit more than my Amiro, but it is well worth it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around. I love doing anything beauty, skincare, and I am 45, by the way, so anything to help you out in your 40s, I'm here for it. All right, you guys, we'll see you on my next video. Bye.